Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of April, 2025. And now we aim to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 5.3%. This results in an average return of 2.65% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 20% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -34% and -6%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about -32%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -44% to slightly over 0% over the next year. This would translate to a future price range of approximately $52.29 to $93.82. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices features the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock price up more than 5.3% on Friday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price increased by 5.3% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of April, 2025. The price rose from $88.70 to $93.40. On that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.69%, reaching a low of $90.51 and a high of $94.75. The price has dropped in 6 out of the last 10 days, marking a decline of 9.51% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 58 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.4 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $187.28, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 50.13%, or $93.88, below the 52-week high, and 58.91%, or $133.90, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, has recently captured the attention of investors amid market fluctuations. Despite a significant decline in its stock price, which fell by more than 26% due to tariff concerns, analysts are encouraging investors to look past these short-term anxieties. AMD reported an impressive 24% year-over-year revenue growth in its most recent quarter, largely fueled by an astonishing 69% increase in data center revenues. This growth underscores the company's robust position in a vital segment of the tech industry, particularly in artificial intelligence. Currently, AMD is trading at a forward price-to-earnings ratio of approximately 20, indicating it may be undervalued relative to its growth potential. Experts are describing this decline as a buying opportunity, especially as tariffs seem to pose less of a risk, given the incentives for negotiation between China and the United States. Looking ahead, AMD's ongoing investment in its EPYP processors and its strategy in the AI sector could bolster market share and profitability, even against competitors like NVIDIA. In the short term, the stock may recover as investors take advantage of its low valuation and strong financial performance. In the long term, AMD's capacity to provide cost-effective AI solutions could position it favorably for sustained growth, making it an appealing option for investors seeking quality in a turbulent market. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AMD a hold grade along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral grade accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo designated AMD with an overweight grade and a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler also assigned AMD an overweight grade along with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Citigroup reported that AMD received a buy grade with a hold action. Here we explore key insights and important information. We will delve into the latest trends, examine significant data, and uncover the underlying factors that are shaping our world today. As we analyze this, we will focus on various aspects that influence the overall narrative. Remember, understanding these elements can lead to more informed decisions in your own life. Let's embark on this journey of exploration together. The following signals have been identified for advanced micro devices. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The advanced micro devices stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will likely encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $100.42. Conversely, if the stock declines, it may find support from the short-term average at $88.62. A breakout above the long-term average would issue another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would add another sell signal, thereby strengthening the overall signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and thus far, it has risen by 19.42%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 7 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 8 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 113 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 107 days ago. For more insights and signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for advanced micro devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $85.76 and $83.64. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support. In this scenario, advanced micro devices has support just below today's level at $85.76. If this level is breached, the next support, based on accumulated volume, will be at $83.64 and $78.21. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.25 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.69%. For the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 13.77%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might suggest that the stock is overvalued, or it may indicate that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 93 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can substantially influence stock prices. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $96.84. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, advanced micro devices faces its first support level at $85.76. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Papermaster Mark D executed an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Papermaster Mark D also conducted an insider sale of 15,708 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 14th of March, 2025, Papermaster Mark D sold 1,792 shares of common stock. On that same day, Papermaster Mark D sold another 17,500 shares of stock option grant. On the 12th of March, 2025, Vanderslice Elizabeth W. executed an insider sale of 12,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.203. Overall, insiders purchased 978,454 shares and sold 1,382,875 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several concerning signals, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of April, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open lower by approximately 51 cents, starting at $92.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.